Leicester Square, yeah. Bit surreal. I think the whole nation deserves this, and the players deserve it, the team deserves it for sure, because they work so hard, Two things, we need to enjoy it and always remember it, but not live in it, because it's always about the next challenge. We've got to get to Russia. And we've got to get to Russia. It's all about Russia. It's all about getting there and trying to do this again, So, but again, you can't deny anybody the experience of tonight. It's happened for a reason.
It's a really special occasion to come here and celebrate what we've achieved, relive everything. It'll make us more hungry to do it all again.
These sort of nights, bring back all these memories that we had, that togetherness, but we're a fantastically tight-knit unit. We all get along really well. We fight for each other on the pitch, and I think that's evident in the way that we play.
Excited, also a little bit nervous, I'll be honest. Not sure what they're going to show of me, but yeah, excited. Also excited to see this man dancing again.
If they have it, I'm not sure. I don't know if they're on it or what.
You will. His dancing's definitely on it.
I think it's a good time for us because it's important that we kick on in the qualifiers now, and we've got a game next month, an important game. So it's nice for us to see each other before, and probably be a little bit emotional in there. I think just reliving it all again, and but what makes it all the more special is we're actually featuring in the film. So and we're all together, and all the staff and everybody that was involved.
Because I'm a fan first and foremost. I spent the summer in France, but I got a real understanding as to why the team, perform so well. They're so close. They really are like best mates, and that's a lot to do with the management and the FAW that create this environment where the players are very relaxed. The whole idea of this together stronger thing was fantastic. You really did feel you were part of something, and I got that from the side of the team. They were having a great time. They were like a bunch of lads on holidays, basically.